Alright guys, today we're going to be reacting to building a house, part 1, the work floor. So we're going to just go back and react to the first part of that building, of that house, right? Because we reacted to part 2, but I never saw the part 1. Now, if it was part 1, it didn't say part 1, but some of you guys just recommended this video. So we're going to jump in and see what's going on. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for everything that you guys have done to the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below for the Discord. That way you guys can be part of it. And also for the comment section, as a pinned comment, you're going to see all the links as well. Let's jump in and see what's going on here.
Usually you build a house only once in a lifetime. Therefore everything should fit, be coordinated and work. As a builder, there are of course many questions here.
The topic of building a house is very complex.
How do you build a house?
That's nice.
How does it work?
That is
Which
very nice.
trades are involved in building a house and what does the client have to do? What does he have to prepare?
The sampling of the kitchen should be completed before the start of construction.
We have accompanied the entire construction of a typical solid house in Germany for
This
more
is
than
part
half
1,
a year.
of course. There you go. Let's go.
Everything is still calm on the empty building plot. But in a few days the house construction will start here. And this is what the house should look like. A floor slab, no basement, solid walls, stone on stone, 2 full floors, closed with an elegant tent roof and a canopy over the front door.
Oh, wow. That's simple. That's it.
A modern city.
That's it. You're basically just putting blocks on top of each other. That's it. Wow.
Villa of the Braille 210 type with 140 square meter of living space. What looks so simple here in computer graphics takes time in normal life, unfortunately a little longer. Construction time for the city villa, 6 months. And let's go. The earthworks. Every house needs a stable subsurface.
Very stable, yeah.
The existing soil is removed to a depth of 50 centimeters to make room for the stable filling material, construction sand, on which the base plate will stand. The surveyors mark the dimensions of the base plate. To do this, determine the side edges and mark them with nails. A total of 8 points, which will later be connected with cords. The crossing areas of the cords are the corner points of the base plate. The builders are also on site on the first day of construction. After all, they have been waiting for the moment for a long time. For Irina and Tobias Blado, the dream of owning a home should come true.
Yeah, that's the, you know what's crazy? That's, if you have a family, you have a wife, that's your main dream. Like, you want to have a house for yourself.
We are looking
understand that.
forward to the house. Just that living in the house, you have lived in apartments long enough.
Exactly.
tired.
You have great neighbors here.
Wonderful cohesion. And simply, your own garden, your own house.
Enjoying the sun.
The two have to be patient a little longer, but it is progressing. Braille houses are proprietary developments of the Braille Company. Designed by Mario Brandenburg, the managing director of...
I'm wondering how much that costs, right, to just make a house like that. Probably $150,000 American money, probably, no, more than that, probably $200,000.
Braille.
Our city villa Braille 210 is our entry model. 2 full floors, ideal for a family with 2 children, a so-called standard house. But you don't have to build according to the standard, you can also reschedule any house according to your individual wishes.
Yep.
And here at our builders we see how to make an individual design from a Braille 210 house. We have integrated a very spacious bay area with a roof opening, which in turn in the floor plan, in the hallway creates more living space or creates more freedom of movement. This rounds ultimately the overall picture of this house.
And you know what's crazy? You can tell it's not that uncomfortable to work outside in Germany under the sun. So you can tell.
And the base plate gets
Efficient too. The way they're doing is very time efficient. And some of these workers, they seem very high skilled workers, right? I'm how can I say this? I don't know how to say this, but probably working for that company enough time, they have developed a very good tempo to it. So that can be the reason. Hey, they already know. Yep.
done. Now the concrete has to be compacted.
Yep.
The surface vibrator conducts high-frequency vibrations in the concrete. This increases the flowability of the fresh concrete. Air pockets rise to the surface and can leave. This is the way to give the concrete its perfect, dense consistency.
Strong base, strong fundamentals.
Smooth with the peel-off surface.
Yep. Oh, look at that. That looks nice, right? See, it's solid. Nice and smooth.
Done.
Just let it sit.
Now the base plate has to harden.
That's it. Wow. Just give it a couple days. I would say 2 or 3 days, and you should be ready to work. That's very interesting. And based off what I read, these houses don't take that long. You know how much it takes in the United States to build a house like this? It takes some time. I don't know why. Maybe regulations. I don't know. Well, you know, they use different methods, but this is more like a very simple way of building a house and more economically. And we had to move to something like this because this is going to be the future. You know, less resources, more efficient, and more. I mean, less resources, I would say. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you guys already use this company? Is it good? Is it not? If it's only available in Germany or if it's outside Germany, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.